Importance of cleanliness. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am here to give a speech on importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness plays an important role in everyone's life routine. Also, it is a vital for a healthy body, mind, and soul. A clean place always looks very attractive and neat. Cleanliness is a way of living a happy and healthy life. Cleanliness is a habit of maintaining our body, homes, and surroundings neat and clean. It is an essential quality required to live a healthy life. Cleanliness has so many benefits. It helps us to stay fit and active. It protects ourselves from harmful bacteria and viruses. Cleanliness should be practiced from an early age. Children should practice habits like brushing teeth daily, bathing every day, washing hands before and after meals, cutting nails regularly, wash fruits and vegetables before eating, wear clean clothes always, etc. Personal cleanliness is very important for maintaining hygiene and healthy life. We should keep our rooms and homes clean. We should throw the plastic or waste garbage in the dustbin. The sewage system must be checked often to keep from leakage. We can prevent so many diseases by maintaining homes and surroundings clean. The cleanliness has become a necessity in today's good lifestyle. The cleanliness is very important. That is why our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, has started a campaign to keep India clean by keeping our surroundings clean, called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is our responsibility to make the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission a successful one, as this is always a responsibility towards our nation. The government has also taken many steps in ensuring cleanliness in our country and bring awareness among the people regarding the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness will keep us healthy. When we are healthy, we are capable of taking healthy and fit decisions for ourselves and lead an active life. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So, let us pledge today that we will clean our homes and surroundings. We will make a healthier nation and world. Stay clean and stay disease free. Thank you.